Habakanta yiki tho akilar pathai khubor bu Amit Shah Mantri ki kampoi ing juk sarkar pedeng ulaterwa khadu ek sarkar jala budget pedeng ka ILP lane ka 6th schedule Mantri rang ba banrap ka sarkar jala ba Prestone tensong ulong ba kamlong ka basisha Henry Amit Shah undang wan hobna le ber menta kasnem banyakran bhai ke issue ILP barkumjuru unyakan do ek seng bhalang ki badawai ke jing pentre kam noi ka ILP hapo ka jala megalaya
I refer back to the meeting we had with the Honorable Union Home Minister. No such communication made, be it to CM or be it to Deputy CM, like what it has come out in the Maupor. So therefore, what I wanted to clarify here is from the government side, let us wait, because he already promised us. He already promised us that he is coming down to Shillong and he wanted to stay for 2 days, and then during that visit, he will make sure, during the month of March, he'll make sure that he meeting everybody in Shillong.